The match fit
system. They're made by MICROJIG.
Allow you to clamp however you want or need to.
put it on any face of the workbench.
Instead of using a metal T-track system, I used sliding dovetail grooves. I think it gives this table a lot more versatility and they're easier to install.
We've leveraged the versatility of the dovetail profile not for joinery, but as a complete work-holding solution for your entire workshop.
I've needed something like this for a very long time.
MICROJIG match fit system.
They are awesome.
Really great tools. I use them all the time.
It's going to be extremely handy in my shop.